Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to clear cache on Fire Stick. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, go to Settings. So from the Fire Stick home screen, navigate to the top menu and select Settings. So it is the gear icon. Now, select Applications. In the Settings menu, scroll to the right and choose Applications. Then, Manage installed applications. Under Applications, select Manage installed applications. Then select App to clear cache. Scroll through the list of installed applications and choose the app for which you want to clear the cache. For example, you might want to clear the cache for the Amazon Prime Video app or any other app that's using a lot of storage or showing performance issues. Clear cache. So now, once you select the app, you will see the app's details screen. So you can choose the clear cache option. Select it to confirm the cache clearing process. Clear data. So this is an optional action. So if you want to free up even more space and reset the app to its default settings, you can also choose the clear data option. Keep in mind that clearing data will remove any personalized settings, login information, and saved content within the app. So lastly, repeat for other apps. So this is also an optional set action. So if you want to clear the cache for other apps, repeat the same process for each app you wish to clear cache. So clearing the cache can help resolve issues with app performance and free up some storage space on your Fire Stick. It is a simple maintenance step that can be performed occasionally to keep your Fire Stick running smoothly. Please note that clearing the cache and data of some apps might log you out, and you may need to re-enter login credentials or adjust app settings after clearing the cache. Also, make sure you only clear the cache of the apps that you're familiar with, as clearing data for certain system apps may cause unintended consequences. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!